Alright, look, I take this deck, it's really normal cards. And now spectator name any cards. Maybe spectator name kings. Alright, look. King of clubs, king of hearts, king of diamonds, and king of spades. King of spades, king of spades. Look. For king, and drop it like this. And next step, spectator name two cards, one red and one black. Maybe nine of spades, nine of hearts. Why not? And next step, I take 6 cards. 4 king and 2 cards, one black and one red. And now I take these red cards and drop it like this. And now I take black cards and drop it like this. Next step, make a sandwich. I take 2 black king and make a sandwich like this. I take 2 red king and drop it these red cards and make a sandwich like this. And now I turn over the sandwich, snap my finger and change card sandwich like this. And now red sandwich, black cards, black sandwich, and this red cards. Really crazy, yes? And now I repeat this trick. Yes, it's really amazing because I take 1 cards. Look, I take this hearts and drop it like this. It's red cards. I take black cards and drop it this cards. Spades, hearts, yes. And now I take 2 black king. Black king, drop it like this, and now make a sandwich with black cards. I take this 2 red king and drop it these red cards, make a sandwich like this. And now I smack and change and switch these cards. Look, 1, 2, 3, and now change king and 1 cards. Wow, look, I take this king of clubs, king of spades, king of hearts, and king of diamonds, and this 9 of spades and 9 of hearts. It's really crazy because it's really pure sleight of hand. It's really easy to do, no skills. It's really amazing. Let's learn. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you really nice card trick. Because it's really no setup, pure sleight of hand. It's really no guff. It's really no duplicate. It's really no skills. Any deck, no skills, no setup. It's really pure sleight of hand. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, like in this video right now, and now I teach you this really nice trick. Let's go. Alright, first trick, you take this deck and now spectator really make really shuffle. It's really true because this trick really no setup. It's really true. No skill, no sleight of hand. It's really easy to do. So and next step, spectator name any cards. Maybe ace, maybe king, maybe jack, maybe queen, maybe 6. It's really anywhere. Spectator name maybe jack. Why not? Alright? You take 4 jack, spades, clubs, hearts, diamonds. This 4 jack and drop it like this. Alright. And next step, spectator name 2 cards, 1 red and 1 black. It's really no force. It's really free. Maybe 10 of spades and 10 of diamonds. It's really free, it's not force. Maybe 2 of diamonds, queen of hearts, 2 of spades. It's really any cards. Alright. These 2 cards, spades, diamonds, black, red, drop it like this. Take these 6 cards, show it these 6 cards, 2 black jack, 2 red jack, red, black. Alright. And next step, you break this 1 jack, jack of diamonds, and squeeze these 6 cards. Of course, you save it, you break these 3 cards, right? It's really easy. You break these 3 cards, and next step you take these 3 cards to right hand, this 3 jack, and now you turn over this 3 jack, and now you show these 2 cards. 1 black card, slight turnover, right? It's really easy. Look, and now these 2 cards, and 1 red cards. And next step, you take these red cards and drop it like this. Alright? This is left. And next step, you count this finger 2 cards. 1, 2. Turn over 2 cards. Alright? Look, make a repeat. 1, 2. And make it turn over 2 cards like this. This is 10 of spades. Turn over. Take these cards and drop it these black cards like this. This is alright. Alright, look. Of course, you drop this 10 of diamonds and this jack of diamonds. Alright. And next step, you make a slip cut like this. You take these cards and take these cards. Your right hand takes these center two cards, and now you move it like this, and these cards drop it, and this card shows this is 2 black jack. Of course, you take 2 black jack. It's really true. Now with these 2 black jack, drop it these black cards, and now move it like this. You slide 1 card and drop its pile like this. Alright? And now you make a sandwich like this. Alright. Next step, you take these 2 cards, show it 2 red jack. Of course, you take 10 of spades and jack of hearts. 2 red jack, drop it like this. This is red cards, and now you move it like this. You take these cards, bottom, these cards. Now you move it like this, and this card is drop it like this. Right? Your right hand takes this central card and drop it like this. And next step, you turn over, snap, and of course you show it card teleport. It's really crazy because red 10 teleport this, black 10 teleport this. It's really crazy, yes. And next step, take these 3 cards, move it like this, move it like this, and now this 10, put in her like this, and this 2 jack, put in her like this, and now you squeeze and turn over. Alright? Look, jack of hearts, 10 of diamonds, 10 of spades, jack of clubs, jack of spades, jack of diamonds. You set up like this. Alright. And now you turn over. And next step, you repeat this finger, count 2 cards. 1, 2, make a break. Turn over 1 card. This is 10 of diamonds. Of course, turn over 2 cards. Look, I repeat. 1, 2. Turn over 2 cards. Show this is 10 of diamonds, red cards, drop it like this. This is left. Now you repeat this finger, count 2 cards. 1, 2, 1, 2. Turn over black cards. Of course, turn over 2 cards. And black card, drop it like this. And next step, you take 1 cards. Use this finger, count 1 cards. And now you turn over these 3 cards. Alright, look, 1. Count 1 cards and turn over 3 cards and show it 2 black jack. Jack of spades, jack of clubs. And next step, use this finger, count 1 cards. You take these 3 cards, alright? Turn over like this. Your right hand take 1 cards. These 3 cards, drop it like this. Of course, don't like this. You drop it this like this. These 2 cards, of course, this 1 cards, drop it like this. Make sandwich like this. Drop it, take this 2 red jack, drop it these cards, make sandwich, snap your finger, and show it teleports, because this 2 cards is 4 cards. Now you take this pile and show it 4 jack, jack of spades. Now you make a bottom deal, jack of clubs, jack of diamonds, jack of hearts. Take these cards and show it 10 of diamonds and 10 of spades. It's really crazy. Thanks for watching my video. See you later.